falling from the tree. A is for the apple, tasty and shiny to see. 3 apples, 4 apples, rolling on the floor. B is for the bubble, floating out the door. Count the apples as they fall. 1, 2, 3, 4, all in all. Sing the letters loud and clear. The alphabet is drawing near. 5 apples, 6 apples, stacked up in a pile. C is for the cat, who watches with a smile. 7 apples, 8 apples, colors red and green. D is for the hat, sitting tall on the scene. Count the apples as they fall. 1, 2, 3, 4, all in all. Sing the letters loud and clear. The alphabet is drawing near. Apples tumbling left and right, letters dancing in the light. A B, C, D, learn as you grow. There's a whole world you'll get to know. Count the apples as they climb. 1, 2, 3, and take your time. Sing the letters in your song. The alphabet will take you along.
stereo, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little